These are the elevators at the Carlisle Inn in Sarasota, Florida. We got some ThyssenKrupps. Let's go for four. These are pretty quiet and smooth. There's a lookout. We're gonna go back down to one. These were installed, I believe, in 2018, which means these are Enduras. Mad BS vandal resistant fixtures. The other elevator's going up, so we're gonna cut the one we can get that one. It's coming down. Barely hear the motor on this one. The fan is much louder. We're gonna There's a chime. I was gonna say we're gonna listen to the chime. Just your standard ThyssenKrupp Endura, really, but these are pretty nice, pretty smooth. Here's your certificate. 3,000 pound capacity.